This thing needs a cup holder. Hey, got it. Alright, this wind is ridiculous. Okay. So we're in neutral, we're pushing the parking. We're gonna hit it in reverse. Whoa, we oh shit. Off. Moving the bus backwards. The bus go backwards. What's behind me? Tyrone, when you reverse, things come from behind you, Tyrone. The people that we're following are so nice. They're building my bus. So that's why we're taking it out to Texas. And doing that kind of stuff. So yeah. Let's just see how this, it's the wind, man. This is so windy. We're hitting gusts of like 20 miles an hour. And I had Mr. Microphone. Hey baby, what are you doing later on tonight? I just thought I'd come by and say, hey, remember the old Mr. Microphone commercials? Looking good, mama. We've moved it all the way from Phoenix through New Mexico, and now we're here in Texas. And I've been living in this here for the day or so, and you can see the mess that's going on and what we got going on. When you live in a school bus, they've gutted everything on the inside. You can see what they've done. Floors, air ducts, walls, the back. They left me the air conditioning vents, which is really cool. So when I'm driving in hot weather, like in California, I can use the air conditioning. So that's kind of neat. And then here's the Captain Reno chair right here. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We're gonna get you a little footage on the road, a little bit of driving footage, and we'll try and put this vlog together for you. Get it out sometime next week. Drink a little iced tea. So I spent all this money. It doesn't come with cup holders. We need cup holders. This is a problem. We need cup holders. I almost spilled my coffee this morning. That made me really upset. So let's go down here and see what the truck stop. We're at a truck stop out here in Texas, and we're out here. We're at a truck stop in Texas. We're out here, where's the sun at? There it is. We're at a truck stop in Texas, and we're out here with the builders of the bus that we're going to be using, and we're carpooling. They got a cool bus. I got a cool bus. They got a really cool bus. Their bus is something that's hard to steal for most of you because you can't figure out how to drive it, which is hilarious. Their bus has one of these objects in it right there. If you can't figure out what that is, you better. So this bus has a great anti-theft device.
Built right in.
It's right there. Try and steal this one. But here's their bus. They're going to be building this one out, and then after they're done, they're going to go build mine out, and it's going to be amazing.
Yes, it will.
You guys
Hello,
excited?
everybody.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Plug yourself.
Oh, Jordan Bosserman, Phoenix School Buses, Sabrina Lyon. Yep. We run and operate and build and etc. for Phoenix School Buses. It's
vans, school buses. Thinking about moving into food trucks some here soon.
We've got big aspirations. So.
Yeah.
Did you hear that? Big aspirations. That's awesome. So if you need something built, go to AAA. Tell them Papa Drew sent you. Talk to Tony. Customer service is off the chart when you go buy a bus over there. They really take care of you. They treat you really good. And then when you're ready to get your Skoolie built, because you don't have any skills like me, call them because they're awesome.
Rock on.
You know what else? They're vets, both of them. So call them up and give them work. All right, let's bury them in school buses. That would be cool. So let's go, family members, because you too can join the Skoolie Nation just like me in about a year. See ya. put your finger in there, man, and cut your finger off. Put our seatbelt on. Brake. Startup position. Found it. Yes. Well, this is pretty economical. Alright. I should be able to start this up. How much does that? You're hearing right now is the air compressor. I have air brakes. I'm getting used to air brakes. They're very, very different than normal brakes. Kind of let the engine do a lot of your braking.